Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a well-equipped 2014 Ford Edge Limited all-wheel drive. Stock number Z64318. 66,000 miles on this local trade. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report. White platinum metallic tri-coat in color. The Edge seats 5. Leather interior. Lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Power liftgate for convenience. Lots of storage space in the rear. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily with the push of a button. And very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Limited has keyless entry, along with touchpad entry, remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Memory settings for 2 drivers. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel mounted audio controls, cruise control, large touchscreen infotainment system for navigation, climate control, dual zone automatic temperature with heated front seats, radio. It's also satellite radio capable.
Search for sync on your device and select sync once it is found.
And Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Backup camera display. Hard keys below for the things used most often. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. And home link transmitter for garage door opener overhead. There we are. Under the hood, this Edge has a 3.5 liter V6, 285 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 18 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and ready to go with new brakes and new tires. For more information about this Edge, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.